Both circuits are good. Ignition on, gear on.
Flux capacitor on.
Yeah. Canopy is locked. Choke on, although I don't know if I need it. We'll try it without ignition on, idle. Here goes. Come on, Betty.
Aha. Cooler air, so your low speed's going to be a little leaner than usual. You're just not going to be able to hammer the throttle.
Running too lean.
Yeah. Yeah. You'll probably have to open up that low end a little bit.
Yeah, I think so.
Yep, she's rich now. But that's an engine barble, that's not a miss.
Boy, it's really wanting to climb. No, it sucks.
And you got a gear hanging.
Boy, that engine's just not behaving.
Yeah.
Nothing good about it. Nothing.
Yeah, I think that high end's open too much.
Could be.
Yeah. A little bit more engine tuning. First flights of the season. It'll probably still be just a little rich, but that's all right.
I think a little rich.
Yeah, it's still a little fat on the high end.
Boy, it wants to climb something awful.
Damn.
Yeah. Maiden flight, top flight P40.
Well, that was uneventful. Not complaining.
What engine in that puppy?
BLE 55 rear exhaust. No problem hauling the mail. That's only half throttle. I'll
Well,
open it up. You know, I've never been a fan of P40s, but I kind of like this.
I think the worst thing that happened with the Horizon Tower acquisition,
Is the disappearance of Top Flight.
Top Flight is gone.
It was beyond the disappointment. Get used to this P40 thing.
And you heard it, folks. He likes it.
Sure is fast. Jim, I take back everything bad I ever said about you. Except your looks. I can't help you there.
Are you talking about Gibney?
No, I would never.
Ground support.
and then we'll bring it in. Make sure all the nuts and bolts are tight. Gear pass. Why have I not liked P40s all these years? I guess I never had the right one.
All right, nobody's watching now, Andy.
Aw. I mean, P40s can't be hard to land, can they? With that narrow gear? No.
Nothing to it. Who is that man?
I'm happy.
You heard it, folks. Andy Gideon, Millersburg, Indiana. He's happy.